Yun na yun talagang binabantayan namin kasi maraming mga ebidensya Joby. Sa totoo lang, no, nung kami nasa Quadcom o sa Tricom pa naman, marami ng mga ebidensya against the Vice President na hindi niya naman sinagot yan because she did not want to take an oath to us, di ba? Ininsulto pa niya ang Kongreso on that that was an insult to the whole institution. Oo. Ngayon, meron pang ebidensya na lumabas ngayon tungkol doon sa isang bodyguard niya, si Madriaga. Na yun, pag-uusapan din niya. Napakarami talaga mga ebidensyang pag-uusapan.
Pero, Kong, si Maricel po uli ito. Yun
Yes,
pong
Maricel.
mga grounds na ginamit noong unang impeachment laban kay VP Sara, it's almost the same, hindi po ba? Dito rin sa naging batayan sa impeachment na ito. Maliban yun nga pong nabanggit ninyo kay Madriaga. So, ano yung magiging pagkakaiba nitong pangalawang attempt na ipa-impeach si VP Sara kumpara dun sa nauna?
Well, kanina, binanggit ko din yung yung sinabi ni Senior Associate Justice Mavic Leonen, no? If you heard what I said. Na sabi ko, itong sinabi ni Mavic Leonen would be more applicable to the impeachment that is being tried against the president. Oo. Na saan ba yung binanggit na yun na hinahanap ko dito nasa akin pa yung nabanggit ni Associate Justice Mavic Leonen, no? Na wag natin gagawing parang political exercise lang. Wag lang natin gagawin itong parang nag-a-accuse lamang tayo na walang kahinatnan. And to me, that was actually more applicable to the impeachment complaint that were filed by the endorsers laban sa ating Pangulo. Wala talaga I mean, you look at all of the, all of the charges on the sufficiency in substance. I mean, it's all speculative, it's all hearsay. Oo. Walang personal knowledge, walang tinatawag nating hard evidence to be able to speak of. Wala yung mga authenticated records. In fact, we were talking about the sufficiency in form. Sinabi ko na How do we know that the 32 people that filed the complaint against the president are all taxpayers?
Okay.
Wala naman silang binigyan na ebidensya tungkol dyan.